Hi everybody, it's Donna Chabrier, your friend, neighbor, and realtor with Next Home. I'm down at Habitat for Humanity's ReStore down in Sacramento, and it's amazing what they have down here. You never know what you're going to find. Here is an amazing wine refrigerator. It's enormous. I don't even know how many bottles, but it's priced at $950. I thought I'd show you a few other things. They always have stackable washers and dryers. You can see a ton of furniture, actually more furniture over here. Look at this sofa. Okay, I mean, I think that's pretty amazing. Look at that. It's a sectional. It's that beautiful kind of neutral gray that everybody wants. $600. What a steal.
Look at these beautiful dining room chairs. They have that tuft upholstery on them. They're a beautiful blue color. There's a set of two, and they are priced at, let me zoom in, $50 a piece. Here you go. What about this one? Has your family been looking for an air hockey table? Of course, they always have tons of lighting. They have several of these gigantic commercial water heaters. They've got over here siding. Maybe your house needs a new exterior. They've got this 10-foot by 7-foot Certainty vinyl siding. It's $175 per box. So I guess that's probably a good deal. All kinds of cinder blocks and fluorescent light. You gotta think this is pretty cool. Look at this. It's a rather than a long, it's a deep tub. Super nice, priced at $500.
And of course, at the ReStore, you'll find all kinds of furniture, dining room, armoires, dressers. I also want to remind everyone, if you have something in your home that you're no longer using, but it has some life in it, donate it to Habitat for Humanity. There's always a ton of tile. I mean, probably not enough to do an entire house, but if you had a bathroom or a kitchen, you could come down here and really get a sweet deal on some tile. I hope you come check it out. If you have a remodel or renovation project done at your house, this is the place to get some great deals. Take care and have a wonderful day.